Hello! Let's start your English journey today. We will climb this staircase together. Everything begins with the basics. Oh, Orisu. Start by naming objects around you. Simple books help your brain learn. Practice greetings in the mirror. Listening is the first big secret. Listen to slow, clear sentences. Repeat words until they feel easy. Make English a daily habit. 10 minutes a day is enough. Now, let's learn how to connect words. Use small words to join ideas. I would like some tea, please. Harvey's. Describe your day out loud. The cars are moving fast today. Wow. You are reaching the middle level. Sentence structure is your map. I want to visit London someday. Wow. Walk and talk at the same time. Hi. Record yourself and listen back. Listen for the music in English. I'm Sparshooter's Fried Wireless. Now we reach the advanced level. Tao. Words don't always mean what they say. This means it is very easy. Tao. Talk about news and the world. Dress your words with quality. Fluency means you can speak freely. Public speaking is the final step. Control your breath when you speak. Use your voice to lead others. Your English can take you anywhere. Even pros need to rest their minds. A warm drink helps you think. With the curse. Share your goals with your family. Success takes small steps every day. Writing is speaking on paper. Saul? Celebrate every. Ha? Little. Victory. The whole world is waiting for you.
Keep your mind sharp and active.
English is a bridge to people, en oisos treir clients. Healthy food helps your memory. Break big goals into small pieces. Having less fun. Poetry is beautiful English. The moon is luminous tonight. Sigh. Believe in your own ability. Review your words before bed. Artisterit course, Badger Owl. English gives you freedom to travel. Tomorrow is another chance to grow. Talk while you do your chores. Make your learning shine too. Plus, our tired busas.
Rest is part of the work.
Good night, little watch. English is now in my dreams.
I'm lifting a horse pie. I wish you great success.
The bed is very plush.
Good night to the world.
Sara is sleeping very well.
Success is yours now.
Our Rizal.